Venom evolved hundreds of millions of years ago, creating a chemical arms race between predator and prey. Here are some of the most venomous animals living on Earth. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission. A king cobra stands with its head high and jaws open, showing its tongue and fangs. The king cobra, or Ophiophagus hanna, is one of the most venomous creatures on Earth and the longest venomous snake in the world. The Irukandji Box Jellyfish, also known as Carukia barnesi, is a tiny species growing to just 0.8 inch or 2 centimeters in diameter. Yet its stinging tentacles, which can stretch up to 3.2 feet or 1 meter, can pack a very nasty punch. Its venom, which causes Irukandji syndrome, attacks the nervous system and can paralyze the lungs and heart. Adult male platypus, or Ornithorhynchus anatinus, have hollow spurs on their hind legs that are linked to glands that produce venom. Their venom production peaks during mating season, leading scientists to believe it is used as a weapon to compete with other males for access to females. Black mambas, or Dendroaspis polylepis, are the longest venomous snakes in Africa, reaching around 8 feet in length. They are also one of the fastest snakes on Earth, hitting speeds of around 12.5 miles per hour. Geography cone snails, known scientifically as Conus geographus, are found in reefs of the Indo-Pacific. They can grow up to 6 inches long and are the most venomous of the 500 known cone snails. There are more than 10,000 active compounds in their venom, which is delivered through a tooth that is propelled from a flexible and extendable appendage called a proboscis. Bullet ants, or Paraponera clavata, deliver one of the world's most excruciating ant stings, often likened to being shot with a bullet, and the pain can last unabated for up to 24 hours. These creatures, which are just 0.8 inches in length, pack a powerful sting in their tiny bodies. The largest lizards on Earth, Komodo dragons, can grow up to 10 feet in length. Along with huge, serrated teeth they use to shred prey and bacteria-filled saliva, Komodo dragons also use venom produced in glands in their lower jaws to take down prey. Bruno's casque-headed frogs, unlike their poisonous relatives that deliver toxins through skin secretions, are venomous. These little frogs inject their deadly venom through spikes on their heads. There are 4 species of blue-ringed octopus: the greater blue-ringed octopus, the southern blue-ringed octopus, the blue-lined octopus, and the common blue-ringed octopus. They're all small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and contain a powerful neurotoxin that can paralyze and kill humans within minutes. One of the world's deadliest snake species, the Russell's viper, also known as Daboia russellii, is responsible for the majority of the 58,000 snakebite deaths in India every year. The viper kills so many because it combines potent venom with close proximity to humans. Sydney funnel-web spiders, scientifically named Atrax robustus, are found across coastal areas of eastern Australia. Females can reach up to 3.14 inches across, while the largest male recorded was 3.1 inches across, about the size of an Olympic gold medal. Saddleback caterpillars, known scientifically as Acaria stimulea, are the larvae of slug moths. They are brightly colored and possess venomous spines that protrude from their body. These caterpillars are found across the eastern United States, from Florida up to New York and as far west as Texas. All Brazilian wandering spiders are venomous, and their cocktail of toxins affects the neuromuscular system. Humans experience a burning pain at the sight of a bite, along with sweating and goosebumps. The Deathstalker Scorpion, also known as Liurus quinquestriatus, is one of the deadliest scorpion species in the world. Its sting causes pain and paralysis. Slow lorises belonging to the genus Nycticebus are the world's only venomous primate. These furry little animals, native to South and Southeast Asia, have a unique delivery system for their venom. King cobras, or Ophiophagus hanna, are the longest venomous snake on Earth, measuring up to 18 feet. If they feel threatened, they lift their heads off the ground and flare out the skin around their heads. Red imported fire ants, known scientifically as Solenopsis invicta, are native to South America, but they have gained a foothold as an invasive species in the United States and Australia. Native to central and eastern Australia, inland taipans, or Oxyurinus microlepidotus, are one of the most venomous species of snake in the world. Their venom is one of the most potent ever discovered. With a wingspan of just 7 inches, common vampire bats, scientifically known as Desmodus rotundus, are venomous mammals that use their toxic bite to help them feed on blood. Stonefish, belonging to the Cynanthea genus, are a group of fish consisting of 5 species, all of which can deliver a potentially fatal venomous sting. These fish, found in coastal reefs in the Indian and Pacific Oceans, sit completely still on the seafloor, waiting for unsuspecting prey to swim by. Southern black widow spiders, or Latrodectus mactans, are a small species found throughout the southeastern United States that pack a nasty bite. Their venom is a highly potent neurotoxin. Portuguese Men-of-War, or Physalia physalis, are venomous siphonophores that resemble jellyfish. These fascinating creatures actually form a colony of genetically identical individuals with different forms and functions, all working together as one. Australia's deadliest snake, the eastern brown snake, also known as Pseudonyga textilis, has highly potent venom that can cause internal bleeding and paralysis. Red lionfish, or Pteroa volitans, are beautiful but deadly fish that have venom glands within the grooves of their spines. This venom causes excruciating pain, respiratory distress, and paralysis. Redback spiders, or Latrodectus hasselti, also known as Australian black widows, tend to live in areas where humans are around and often find shelter in junk piles, sheds, and even toilets. Gila monsters, scientifically known as Heloderma suspectum, are venomous lizards found across the US Southwest, and their bites cause agonizing pain. These creatures are black with a pink or orange pattern, and they can reach up to 22 inches long. Also known as murder hornets because of their intensely painful sting, Asian giant hornets, or Vespa mandarinia, can grow up to 2 inches long, and their stinger can release large quantities of venom. Flower urchins, or Toxopnustes pileolus, are considered one of the world's most venomous species of sea urchin. The name Toxopnustes means toxic breath. They deliver their venom through claw-shaped flower-like appendages. Reaching up to 18 inches wide, Crown-of-Thorns Starfish, also known as Acanthaster planchi, are carnivorous predators that feed by extruding their stomachs out through their mouths. The common krait is one of the big 4 species of snake in India that cause the most deaths. The venom of common kraits, Bungarus caeruleus, causes muscular paralysis that can prevent the diaphragm from moving. The larvae of the giant silk moth, Lanomia obliqua, a species native to South America, are covered in spikes that can easily puncture human flesh and inject extremely potent venom. This 12-inch giant centipede, Scolopendra gigantea, from South America is the largest in the world and is capable of eating toads, mice and lizards. Australian box jellyfish, Chironex fleckeri, are found along Australia's northern coast and are considered the most venomous marine animals in the world. They have a large, transparent, box-shaped bell with up to 60 tentacles at the base.